In this video, I'll detail how to turn off Apple Watch Series 9 theater mode. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, just like this, either the 41mm or 45mm with GPS or GPS and cellular, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily turn off your Apple Watch Series 9 theater mode. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Firstly, so now that you have your Apple Watch theater mode turned on, you should see the theater mode indication or cinema mode indication on your Apple Watch dynamic island. This. Then if you click on dynamic island again, then you should see the expansion that the cinema mode is turned on, while the cinema mode is the same thing as the theater mode on your Apple Watch. Now, to turn it off, all you just need to do is come down here, locate the side button on your Apple Watch, just beneath the digital crown, then click on it once to move from the watch face to the control center on your Apple Watch Series 9. Now, while on the Apple Watch Series 9 control center, scroll down with the digital crown until you get to the theater mode or cinema mode on your Apple Watch with two face masks. Then click on it once. Once you tap it, you see cinema mode off. That's to tell you that the theater mode is now disabled. However, if you disable the theater mode and your silent notification is not disabled, then you need to manually disable the silent notification. But by default, once you disable the theater mode on your Apple Watch Series 9, this is going to turn off the silent mode on your Apple Watch. So this is exactly how to turn off Apple Watch Series 9 theater mode. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.